Hello, teacher Jaira.
Good evening.
Good evening, teacher Jaira.
This is Kids 2A60 midterm speaking test. Kindly introduce yourself.
My name is Anne. I'm 10 years old. I live in Phủ Lý, Ninh Bình. I'm from Vietnam. There are 4 people in my family. They are father, mother, sister, and me. My favorite food is chicken. My favorite food is cherry. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice
What's
to-
your favorite color?
My favorite color is white.
That's nice. Now let's go to the slides. I hope you're ready.
Yes.
Good. We start with feelings. Number one,
I'm happy. I'm not sad. I'm sad. I'm not happy. I'm hot. I'm not cold. I'm cold. I'm not hot. I'm hungry. I'm not thirsty. I'm thirsty. I'm not hungry.
That's right. Still on feelings. Name these pictures from 1 to 4.
1. Sick. 2. Tired. 3. Bored. 4. Excited.
Good. The senses. What can he see?
He can see a bird.
What can he hear?
He can hear a car.
What can she smell?
She can smell pizza.
What can she taste?
She can take juice.
What can she touch?
She can touch a door.
That's good. Jobs. These pictures represent various jobs. Can you give me their names from 1 to 6?
1. Doctor. 2. Nurse. 3. Teacher. 4. Student. 5. Pilot. 6. Cook.
Good. Places. Why is the doctor?
He at
Again.
She at the hospital.
Why is the teacher?
He at school.
His.
He's at school.
Why is the student?
He's at home.
And why is the cook?
She's at the restaurant.
That's right. Food. What do you want?
I want soup.
What do you want?
I want French fries.
What does he want?
He wants eggs.
What does she want?
She wants fish.
Again.
She wants kids.
Steak.
Steak.
What does he want?
He wants spaghetti.
And what does she want?
She wants salad.
That's good. Fruits. What fruit do you have?
I want.
What fruit do you have?
I have apple. I don't have banana.
Bananas.
Bananas. She have bananas. She doesn't have oranges. She have oranges. She don't have peach. She doesn't have peaches. He have peaches.
He has.
He has peaches. He doesn't have apple.
He doesn't
Ap-
have.
He doesn't have apples.
That's right. Dairy products. Number 1. Do you like milk?
I like
Do
milk.
you like milk? Yes or no?
I like milk.
And do you like milk? Yes or no?
Yes, I do.
Do you like yogurt?
Yes, I do.
Do you like cheese?
No, I don't.
Do you like butter?
No, I don't.
Okay. Things to wear. Clothes. Name these clothes from picture 1 to 6.
1. Shirt. 2. Dress. 3. Skirt. 4. Pants. 5. Socks. 6. Suit.
Right. Still on clothes. Number 1.
1. Hat. 2 coat, 3
Coat.
coat, 3 sneakers,
No.
sne-
Sweat.
sweater, 4 boots.
That's right. The final slide. What's he wearing?
He wearing
He's
He's wearing a white shirt and gray pants.
what's she wearing?
She wearing a yellow t-shirt,
Mm-mm.
yellow shirt and blue skirt.
What's he wearing?
He wearing He's wearing green pants and black socks.
What's she wearing?
She wearing brown dress and black shoes.
That's right. And this is the end of the speaking test. Thanks and bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher.